Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 4th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the Euro Yen, I mean, it's hard not to be bullish just because all the higher time frames are definitely in an uptrend. So what I mean by that, it's hard not to, think that perhaps it could just keep on going up. But to me, it seems very clear that this is impulsive downbreaker starts at wave A. It looks like an ABC to the upside for wave B, and it looks like, it perhaps could end up soon, maybe, within the next day or so, starting a big wave to the downside for like a wave C, which would likely just be an ABC correction to the higher time frame uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, it kind of looks like it made one, two, three waves down. So maybe we're going to go up and make like a double top, which actually would be a really nice setup if that is the case, because that would be a one, two, three, four, and five. Then if it turns down and gives us a break of structure, that definitely should be the confirmation we would need to know that we're going down for a much bigger wave C, just like I showed on the 4 hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.